today I have something which is really big and I don't know how exactly to unbox it. I have an ESDDI Softbox kit. I see here the model is PS070. It's a very large box. I knew it would be big, large, but I wasn't expecting it to be that large. So I don't have a better way of positioning this on my desk here, but let's hope I can successfully somehow do it. So, very well packaged and large. What do I have inside here? I have probably an installation manual, probably. Then I guess these are the stands. And then I see in here the soft boxes. And why am I doing this? By the way, I will tell you in a second. And these are the bulbs. I will show you in a second. Let's get rid of the big box. So now this is out of our way, and I will do us helps. So these are the soft boxes, these are the stands, and these are the bulbs. I was looking after LED-based soft boxes, but a bit expensive. So I got the next best thing, which is this ESDDI kit. Let's see what we have inside, and then I will show you how they work once I install them. So my only fear here is how much these bulbs are consuming. Like, really, how much? If I properly understood, they are like a LED technology, I think. But don't trust me yet. I have to check to be sure. But yes, it was a comparison of a product page saying that these are better than the normal whatever. I see here 50 watts, which, yes, I think this is LED technology. Now, let's check. Because also it was saying they have a very long lifespan. So the bulb is, well, let's see. LED, yes, as I was saying, it says here, I don't know the language, what is this, but it's LED lampen, which means LED bulb. Good, so I was correct. Good. What I'm realizing is that many times I'm buying from Amazon based on how much it costs and not necessarily checking the whole description. Good. So I get 2 LED bulbs of 50 watts, which it's quite powerful, but the work will be done in conjunction, like helped by the softbox itself, because it has the reflective. Oh, okay. So I was wrong. In here you have a stand. You don't have a softbox. This is the stand. Okay, I was wrong. So these are the stands, and I will only unbox one of them. And let's see how the softbox looks like. Now, whomever is expert on this, and it's a photographer, I don't know if they need my unboxing, but if you are like me, an amateur, then, well, it's good to see it. Sorry, I forgot to actually open it in front of you. So what I see right from the box is this cable here is somehow connected to the softbox, so you cannot take it off, which is a bit strange. I was expecting more modularity, but you don't have it. Okay, so no modularity. Good. So let's see. I see an on-off switch, and it goes straight into the outlet, and then this is how the softbox looks like. Now the question is, how do I, it's like an umbrella. The question, I don't have my angle here is not wide enough to show it. I have to be far away, and I will do it. Now what I'm trying to figure out is, how do you open this? And the question is, I see here inside, you have to push. And it goes, it's like an umbrella. So you push, you push, you push, and it's done. Interesting. So now it is done. Good. I'll put the lamp here, not yet, the ball. And then you mount this to the stand, and I will show how it looks once it's done. And then you have this diffuser. So this light diffuser, again, I'm not an expert. What they do is they soften the light. Good. And you'll put this on top of it. And it's done. Okay, so I finished installing one of the soft boxes, and I see in this side, like on this side, shadows, like it's dark. What I will do is I will install the other one and have it light behind me, and let's see if that will improve the overall lighting. But what I had before was a lot of shadows on that wall, which I no longer have now because it is above me, so it looks from up to down. So now when I want to showcase something, no shadows, which is perfect for what I wanted to do. Also, I will say it is quite good light, like intensity. But let's install the other one. Good, so I'm back. I installed the second softbox. Now it looks okay. I will say it looks okay. I have the cable in the frame, so let's hide that. And now no shadows anywhere. And if I want to show to the camera the product, I have it. This will be another unboxing, which I'll do right after. But what I wanted you to see is how it looks, my setup here after installing the soft boxes. And what I will do while I'm speaking, on the screen I will probably add a picture with them. The room behind it is quite messy, so I would like not to show that one, but I will think about. Maybe I figure out a way of taking pictures to the soft boxes without capturing the mess in my room. Good. What's my impression? Well, it is a lot of light, but you cannot control how much light you get. I don't see in here any option of controlling the intensity of the light. So the light you get is the light you get, and that's it. No changes, no adjustments to that. It gets hot, like I'm really hot right now. Both soft boxes are very close to me. The good part is the light, the intensity of the light is not affecting me. What I've done recently, I will show to you. I bought these lights, and I will tell you a secret. They are very good. I'm using them, for example, as a reading lamp at night, because you can change the intensity, adjust the intensity, and they are like, I bought them for a purpose. I thought, and I'm still convinced, they are not good for that purpose, but they really work for both getting me some light here on my unboxing setup, or otherwise as reading lamps, which is fantastic. The problem with them is they are too intense. To get the right intensity to be able to unbox something, they're quite intense in your face. If they are not close by, then it's not the right amount of light, so I cannot do what I want to do. They are good, they do a great job, but I had them practically in my face. Now with these soft boxes, I'm good. None of the lights hits my face, which is good because I can concentrate in what I'm doing. Good size, expected. Like I knew this would be their size. You cannot get smaller soft boxes really. And easy to install. It took me 5 minutes maybe in total, 5 minutes. The stand is good, at least for my case, it is perfect. They go high enough to you will see in the picture, or you are already seeing it on the screen. The stand, it is high enough to be able to take the light to the height I need it to go. Yes, and that's it. It's a buy it and go with it kit. It does the job. Well, in my case, it does the job. I don't know for a photo shoot or something else how good they are. Probably you have to also test the light into a larger space. My room is quite small, and this area here is very small. This light, it really is exactly what I want.